I was Samanath Small Steps Studio channel. Episode starts. So such a big fall. Everything's are in red. US market and now market everything is in red. So it seems the pullback episode is started. Let me see detail in the chart in the video. So before to that, today's tidbit. The goal of a serious technical analysis is to discover the balance of power between bulls and bears and bet on the winning group. So which has the most power, bull or bear? That discovery is the main work of six technical analyst. So accordingly, we have to bet. That's what author come to say. Okay, now we'll go to the video. Before the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views for our learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Only that will lead you and make you a good trader or investor in long run. So Nifty 460 point minus. Such a very big minus. Ended at 21,571. So the detail and all we will see in the chart. The left side top gainers and losers are there. The important thing is this one, HDFC Bank. So 8% it is minus today. So the detail we will see in the chart and the contribution list we will come to see. Market statistics. So totally 2,630 stocks traded, in which 739 stock positively closed and 1,809 stock negatively closed. Even yesterday I said that this number is quite worrying. I said usually it was around 50-50, but yesterday the decline was quite more. And similarly reflecting today also. So this one fundamental factor we have to keep in mind. 82 stock prices unchanged. 75 stocks touched the upper circuit limit, 89 stock touched the lower circuit limit. So one important factor. And 94 stock touched the 52-week high. Day for yesterday it was 284. Yesterday it was 197. So yesterday it was nearly 100 numbers that was reduced. So this is quite variable one. We have to think, we have to consider, I said. So the same thing reflected today within 24 hours, and if you see today it is 94. Day for yesterday 284, yesterday 194, today on just 94. So this thing we have to consider very seriously. And only 16 stocks as the 52-week low. So yesterday I think it was 9, I believe. So it's quite increasing now. So who is that major contributor in the negative side? Before to the negative side, positive side we will see first. Infy 7.71 point positive contribution, TCS 4.33 point positive contribution. So yesterday this Nifty IT was a major fall, that industry. More than 100 point Nifty IT fall, but today 233 point it is positively it closed. Only one industry very good positively closed is Nifty IT. All the other industries are down today, and the biggest negative side contributor is from HDFC. This is the culprit of today's fall. Minus 235.44 points. More than 50% of this downfall. More than 50% the single stock contributed. So that is the heavyweight power. I think this is first or second heavyweight in Nifty. So that is the power of heavyweight. The second highest contributor is ICICI Bank, minus 47.4. So huge gap. So the HDFC Bank is the main one today, such a big fall. FI data. So until recording this video the data doesn't come. So anyway I given the previous day-wise data for reference. So for FIA 1,131 crores net buying and DIA 1,628 net selling. So so yesterday I said if until unless this increases we won't moving further upper side is quite difficult, I said. So this is negatively increasing now. So we will see subsequently how this performs. So this is previous month wise data. Just have a pause of this video and have a glance for the reference and then continue. So Nifty 80 previous close was 22,032, opening 21,647. So we no need to consider this. If you see here, it is 21,850. So around 200 point gap up, and from there it is completely in the downside. There is no sign of recovery. So end 460 point negative closure with 21,571. Bank Nifty. The previous close was 48,125 and opening 46,573. So similarly like Nifty. So this is the where we can say so get open. So around still 1,100 point it's a gap down, and from there continuously it is in the downside. Similar like Nifty pattern, there is no sign of recovery. 2,060 points, hugely fall. So ended at 46,064. So the trend and all we will see in the day chart. So before we will see the trend, we will see the max span and then come. So according to the monthly options contract, the Nifty max span is 21,700. It was 21,800 yesterday. The Nifty was more than 22,000. But today, see, within a day it has changed. But the important thing is Bank Nifty. So it was 4,800 yesterday. Day for yesterday it was 48,000. So within a day, see, 1,400 point rate as the max span has changed. So if you see the open interest data of Nifty, yesterday the collective open interest, highest open interest we saw at 22,000. Now it has completely changed within a day. So now we see the highest call opening interest 22,000. So it signifies that there is very less chance the market go crosses 22,000 again within the expiry. So there are a lot of chance it will closes below 22,000. That's what it signifies, because the number of trading days also very less according to the expiry. And similarly, if you see the next the put open interest, the highest open interest at 21,000. So there are still a lot of things are there. It may still further come down. The highest highest open interest, the put option is 21,500. So probably this is the where I suspect market may close. So if any such big fall happen, this also completely change. So that's why we cannot, many people will say those who do F&O trading based on Y data, we can easily trade on. But see, within a day, it's completely the scenario is getting changed. So the open interest also we have to take only as a consideration, but we cannot rely completely the open interest alone. So that's what today market teaches us. Now we'll see the trend. So the Nifty, see there's such a huge gap down. So yesterday even I keep saying that 21,500 is the immediate support. The strong support at 21,000 I said. Even yesterday I said the same thing, but still it not broke 21,500, but it's very much close to that. Within a day it has come. So still if this break, we have to be very cautious. So those who are not booked the profit, if they are in the profit, those who are not booked, if anything, if it breaks, it's better to close the position. At least some profit booking you have to make. So some videos I said make the trailing stop loss. So if such a big gap down, such a big fall happens, your trailing stop loss all easily will go up. Just a minute. So this is the sorry, this was a call, so it quite distracted. Okay, so this is about Nifty. So still, if those who are not make a profit booking, it is at least this is the time you have to make a profit booking. So this is the thing the Nifty signifies as today fall. And similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so yesterday I said the 47,000 is the very strong support. If that penetrates, the trend may change, I said. So it is well high, it has changed. So 1,000 point it has come down from the 47,000. So 2000 it is totally down. So I don't think so again it rebound here, but it still this will take further downside at around 45,000. This level is the majorly traded level, we can say. So 45,000 range is the next support. So there are chances in subsequent days the pullback will come to 45,000. Okay, next we will only based on the large cap we cannot decide the market, as usual we said. So we will see the mid and small cap, how the market perform. So mid and small 400 index 174 point, it is negative, quite a big one. And if you see this 16, this range is the quite immediate support. That major support at 16,000 is the major support. So if this breaks, definitely market trend will change. Similarly, if you see micro cap index, so that also around almost 200 point negative today, 1%. So similarly mid and small 400 similar pattern. So this also we have to be considered, but there is no still a strong negativity based on this chart. But we have to be cautious only based on the chart only, we cannot say entirely. So this is reliable, at the same time we have to be very cautious. So now we will see our big brother US market. Even yesterday I said the US market, how it closes, that is the important, I said. So how they closed yesterday, it was 231 point, Dow is negatively closed 0.62%, S&P 500 17 points, and Nasdaq 28 points. So this too is not a big fall, but this is quite considerable negative closure. If you see the chart, and by the time of recording this video, the UK market and Euro market is considerably, they are also down. Though the chart not showing, I mean there is no significant negative side, but this thing we have to be considered. So I think the pullback is started, that's what I feel. If you see the chart, the 37 is the immediate support for Dow. So it is still 360 point away, but yesterday if you see 280 point, it's downside. So if that happens, it's just another single leg to reach this, and I keep on saying that it is in consolidating, the momentum has gone down. So if you see the RSI, it is from the overbought zone, it has come down, it is now at 60. So if another fall, if like yesterday it happened, it will come to 50. So this is quite edge, we can say. So next another 1 or 2 session, if it goes negative, that signals the pullback, but we have to be very cautious before to that. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, I keep saying that unlike Dow, this unable to break the all-time high. So then next, the support, the strong support at 4,700 is the strong support, just 63 point away. So it is already, if you see the indicator, the RSI, it's close to 60. It already broke the overbought zone and it has come down. So all these factors we have to consider, but still in the chart there is no strong negativity, but we have to be very cautious. That's what I conclusively I come to say this. So be careful, again saying, if any profit booking, make the profit book and wait for the pullback. Okay, viewers, hope this video is very much informative to you. Please do subscribe and like. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.